Hello guys, welcome to Vexapi Digitals. So in this video, I'll be taking you through how to create a professional LinkedIn account. Okay. Now, even before we start, I would like to read something small about this app for you so that you know why creating a LinkedIn account is very important. Okay. So from the LinkedIn company themselves, there's a lot here that you can read when downloading this app. Okay. Now, when you read, you realize that this app helps to make connections, begin one's career journey, and find a job that is right for you. Okay. So this LinkedIn app is the largest social networking app that helps you to grow your career. Okay, so this is the place where you can create a professional account talking about the type of work that you do so that you can get the right job for yourself. On LinkedIn, there are people who are coming to look for workers, and there is someone like you who is coming to look for work. You get, so you must create a professional account so that whoever comes to visit your profile will know that you are good in this discipline or this other one. Do you understand that? Okay. So kindly head over to your app store if you're using iPhone, or Play Store if you're using Android, and look for this app called LinkedIn. Okay. Then after that, you install it. I've already installed it, so I'm going to open the app. Okay, so after it has opened successfully, this is what you are going to see. Okay, so the interface has loaded successfully. Right now, if you're already having your email on your phone already, if you have your email address on your phone already, then all you have to do is go on to continue with Google. Okay, so you can see it has brought out all the emails that you're having on your phone, and then you select the one that you want. So I'm going to select this one. Now, if you're a student, I would advise that you don't use your student account to your student email to open a professional account like this, because maybe when you're done with your schooling, you might not be using the student email again. You understand? And if you're not using the student email again, and you've used it to create a LinkedIn account already, you will not you will lose your accounts that maybe you've built over 4 years or throughout your stay in the school. Okay. So after choosing the email accounts that you want, you go on to agree and share. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Okay, so you are going to be asked to do a quick security check. They are going to want to verify whether you're a human being or not. This is going to be very simple, so let's just follow it like that. Okay. So they said, please solve this puzzle so we know you're a real person. So go to verify. Now, almost always they bring something like this where you have to select or pick the image that is the correct way up you get. So this would definitely be the correct one. So if I press on it will just mark that you have been verified. You see verification complete. You've proven you're a human being and not a bot. All right. So we are proceeding. Okay, so this is the part where we start filling in with our details. Please, I would like that if you're not watching on a different device, that you take note of all these things so that you don't make any mistakes. Okay. All right. So here they say your profile helps you discover new people and opportunities. I'm a student. No. So this option, this first one says I'm a student, and it is already set on no. Please, if you're a student, kindly put it on yes. So since I'm a student, I've put it on yes. Now your location. So you have to choose your location here. Okay. Now, if you are at a place currently, I'd advise that you use that location for yourself. Okay, if maybe you're in Cape Coast at the moment, use Cape Coast as the location. If you are in Canada at the moment, please use Canada as the location. Okay, don't use maybe your hometown or where you were coming from or something like that. If you're in school, that place that you are at right now in school, please kindly put that location there. For me, I'm going to maintain Greater Accra. Okay, since I'm in Ghana, so I just want to maintain to us Greater Accra. I'm assuming I'm in Greater Accra region. Oh, come in. So you can come and search for whichever place that you're at. So I'm searching for Greater Accra region. If you're outside Africa, wherever that you are, just type your location there, and then your university or school that you are attending. Because we selected that we are students, so please, if you're not a student, I'm not sure all these things will apply. I'm going to choose Harvard. Okay, Harvard University. But please choose it according to the school that you are going to. Okay, don't choose a fake. Don't choose where you are not attending school at. Okay, so the start year is, so I'm going to choose 2025. That is the year I have started school. Okay, so go to next. Okay, so use your photo from Google to help people recognize you. So let's go to next. Okay, so here it said, are you looking for a job? So your response is only visible to you. Okay, but they are saying your response is only visible to you because if people visit your profile, they won't know whether you are looking for a job or not or whatever. Then, but the system, the application, the LinkedIn, the software will know that you are looking for a job. So they'll help you to find jobs. They'll be sending you job notifications. Okay, but if you're someone who is not coming to look for a job, but you're rather even looking for workers, or you just want to join the application, you just want to create an account, you can decide to choose no. Okay, but for the sake of this video, please let's choose yes, I'm actively looking for a new job, and let's go to next. Okay, so what kind of job are you looking for, and the job locations? Okay, so let's go to add title. Okay, so when it comes to add title, we're having lots of them here: assistant, associate, administrative assistant, account manager, assistant manager, whatever. So let me see. Okay, I'm an IT student, maybe I can do graphic design. Okay, so graphic design is here, so I'll select graphic design. Is there any other job I want to look for? I want them to hire me for maybe programming, because I'm an IT student. So programming, I'll choose programming. What other things do IT students do? I'm stuck for now, but okay, graphic design and programming, that's okay. So done. All right, then here you choose where you want to get your job from. Okay, so that's what I said at the beginning, that if you know you are at a certain particular place, you'll be there for some time. Please kindly choose that location so that whenever the job comes, it comes to that location. Okay, but if you think that you can get it from any other place, no problem. So then here we have something which is I'm open to remote work. Please kindly check it. Now if you say I'm open to remote work, it means that you are open to online works, like jobs that you can take online. So you can do it on your phone or on your PC, and then you just work from home or work from wherever that you are. You don't have to be there in person. But then we have another option which is on site. That means you have to be there in person to work. Okay, so we are students, maybe, so we want to apply for remote jobs, okay, where we can do from the comfort of our homes or schools. So take it and then go to next. All right, so get notified when new jobs are posted. So you can see we chose programming and graphic designer. Okay, so once we've chosen those ones, LinkedIn is going to be sending us job notifications about them. Okay, so if you don't want programming again, you can decide to check it off. I'm going to switch it on. Okay, then next. Okay, so let recruiters know you are open to new jobs. Now, recruiters are people who are looking for workers, company owners who are looking for workers. Okay, so I'd like that this be turned on, share with recruiters. So this will show people using LinkedIn Recruiter that you are looking for a new job. Now, LinkedIn Recruiter is an under app differently. Okay, that is still from the LinkedIn company, and that one is for people who are looking for workers. So if you are a company owner, you are looking for workers, you will have to go and install LinkedIn Recruiter. Okay, for the purpose of this video, make sure this is turned on green like this so that recruiters will know that you are looking for jobs. Okay, let's go on to next. Okay, so here they say follow interests to see their best content in your feed. Okay, so follow people and companies to keep up with your activity in your industry. So since we chose tech, IT, whatever, so they've suggested some companies that might provide work for us. So we have UN Jobs and NGO Jobs. So if you want to follow them, press the plus. I'm going to follow all these ones: Google, TED Conference, because I might get jobs from those places: UN Jobs, Microsoft, LinkedIn itself. Then this account, work from home. So you can see 4.4 million followers, guys. Follow them. Amazon, follow them, and then these ones that they might suggest, they just follow them. Okay, so nice job. You have followed 10 sources, and let's go to next. All right, so they said finding new jobs for you guys. So we are almost done with everything. Almost. Okay, so we've created an account successfully, but we are almost done. Almost. So you can see it said prepare for your job search. Okay, so there's just one or two things that we need to add, and then we are done completely, guys. So we are going to go to now. Before that, can you see that the people that I follow, their posts are showing here? So whenever they post a new job, you are going to see it, guys. Okay. So let's go to update profile. All right, so they were asking, are you a current student? We'll help you add your current education details so recruiters can match you with the right jobs. So if you're currently a student, you press yes so that they will take you through the right steps to choose your skills and then where you are currently schooling and everything, so that when people are looking for jobs, they know that, okay, this guy is schooling here or this and that. This is what he knows how to do best. This is the time that he can have for my job, and then they'll give you the right job for you. Okay, so let's choose yes for the sake of this video, then continue. All right, so because we chose yes as a student, they are going to ask us some questions about our school. So as I earlier did, I chose Harvard University. So they even suggested that the top for me to Harvard University, but search for your university, please. If you're in school, search for your school. Don't search for any other one, please. Thank you. Okay, so degree, we are having some of them here, but please, if you go to and find your own, search for it. I'm going to search for Bachelor of Science, because that's what I am doing. If you're doing any other one, please search for that one. Okay, so you can say Bachelor of Science BS. You should choose the right things, guys, because it's going to help you a lot in your works. So here to the field of study, there are some examples here already for your field of study. Okay, but if it's not here again, just search for it. I'm going to search for computer so that things related to computer will come here. Since I'm doing IT, choose your own place according to your preferences. Okay, so computer science, computer information system, blah 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 blah. So I'm going to go with computer science. Okay, so now the start date, when you started the schooling, and the end date or expected end date. Okay, so when we started, let me choose January 2025 for the sake of this video. Okay, now end date or expected. End date or expected. The reason they put or expected there is that maybe there are some people who are still in school, so the expected date of graduation is what they're asking for. But if you're already now with school, yes, put your end dates there the same. Okay, so someone is starting school in January 2025 and it's a 4 years course. The person might actually end in September 2028. Okay, and again, for the sake of this video, the students watching is September 2028, maybe. Okay, then let's go on to continue. Right. Okay, so let's add your skills. So your skills that you have, guys. Again, if you know your skills is not here, you can go on to select any other one. Okay, so for here, let me look through. Maybe I might have some research skills. I don't know. So let me just choose that one. Communication skills, problem solving. Okay, so now we can go to add another skill. You can add as many skills as you want, guys. So, well, as an IT student, I should be good in Adobe Photoshop, maybe as a graphic designer. So let me search for graphic designer. Hey, sorry, I did not add it. But just search for whichever one that you want, okay? Graphic design. So just search for them as many as you want, okay? Then go on to continue. So guys, we're almost done. Let's confirm your location. They want you to really check for your location. Guys, the reason they're asking for location is because the job that is coming must fit your 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 location and everything. Okay, you can't be somewhere else and then they'll give you work that does not pertain to your location. So please confirm the location very well. You can change your location at any particular time. Maybe you are in school, select where you are in school. Then if you're on vacation, you can change it back to where you are at during the vacation. And then when you come back to school, change it back to you being in school or whichever way that you like, okay? So you can see it is written in that place, use current location, okay? So for me, I am assuming, okay, that I'm in Accra right now. So I'll just keep it like that. But if you know that is not it, you can change the country or region, can change the city, please. Thank you. Okay, let's press on done. Okay. So yeah, that was the first part. That is building your profile. So you can see profile app has been updated. Now you can see here, add connections, connect with former co-workers and ask for job referrals. Now, we are going to do this if you know some people on LinkedIn and you would like to have a connection with them, maybe your friends from your school or something like that. Okay. But let's leave that for now. We'll get back to it. I know why. So let's just leave that for now. If you know someone, okay, you can just go on as go to add connections and look for that person's name and connect to that person. Okay. So now let's come to this corner here where you might see a figure of a person there, or maybe this C that I'm seeing is in the corner here, the top left corner. Okay, press on it. Now you can see something is showing here. There's a name here which is not my name. They actually took it from the email that I used. Your own too might be like that. Okay, so let's go on to view profile. Okay, so just as you create or you enhance your profile picture and other stuff, your names and things on other social media apps, it's the same thing here, guys. It's just that this one is for seeking for professional jobs and whatever. Okay, so we can go on here to change the name, add pictures, and do whatever we want to do. Okay, so let's press this pencil button here so that we can make some changes. All right, so you can see here they said first name, so you can put your name. I'm just going to keep this one. So this is there, but if that it is not your name that is there, please can you change it to your actual names? Okay, the first names, last name, and then additional names. So if you're having a first name, mostly it's your English name, so you put it there. Your last name is mostly your surname, and then additional names like maybe the language that you speak or something like where you were born, your hometown, the name that you give or something like that. Okay, and then the headline. The headline is what people will see when they come there. Okay, so here they are seeing students at Harvard University. Can try to change it to maybe expert graphic designer. Okay, expert graphic designer. You can go on to write some other things. It's just like what the people will see first when they come. That's headline. Okay, the first thing that they will see after seeing your profile picture. All right. Now you can add positions. You can add the positions. So let me just press in. You see what is there. Okay. You can add positions. Maybe the company that you worked for before, your title there. Okay. Let me just say the associate. Okay. And then you can go on to employment type. You were employed full time. You select it. Okay. So filling all these sections gives the job owner more information about you. You understand? To make you very qualified for the job. Okay. So wherever that you've read before, you can write it there. Fill in all these forms. Let me choose that Microsoft that they were putting there. Okay. So this here shows that I was an associate at Microsoft. I was employed full time. And if I take this, it means I'm currently working in this role. If I am not, I untick it. If I am, I take it back. Okay. So the dates that I started working there, the end date, the location of the company, the location type. So like maybe you were working on site, which means that you were at the location where the work was going on. Or you can choose remote, which means that you were working online. Or you can choose hybrid, which means that you're working both online and in person. Okay. So that's the location type. And then when you come here, profile headline again is still student at Harvard University. So it appears below your name at the top of the profile. You can change it here. Where did you find this job? The job that you are filling for. Maybe I'm filling for Microsoft and I am working remote. So where I found the job, maybe I found it on the company website or other places or whatever, I'll choose it there. Okay. Okay. So let me see. You have description of the work that you did. So we list your major duties and successes, highlighting specific projects. So whatever that you did in that company before, please kindly write everything here. They want to see it, okay? And then you can come and add your skills here based on your title that you had in that company. And then if this place where they said add media, that is if there is any image that is supporting the fact that you've worked in that company, I'm going to choose it at the media side there. Okay, that's your certificates that you got, your citations, your pictures that you took at the workplace, whatever that shows that you worked where, you can add it there. And then when you're done, go on to save. Okay, all right, so I did not add some parts by here. So if you fill everything, you just have to go to save. So I'm going to cancel this one. Okay, so it has brought us to the first place where we were editing our intro. So intro means the things that someone is going to see once he or she opens your account. Okay, so let's continue now. The industry part here is referring to your field of specialization or work or study. So if you're into IT services and IT consulting, it is here. If you're into hospitals and healthcare, advertising services, oil and gas, wellness and fitness, whatever field of work. Okay, if you don't find it in the list, please just search for it till you find it. Okay, so I'm going to choose technology, information and internet. That is for my field. Okay, all right, so that has been selected, and then we have our education here. If you want to change it, you can change it. If you want to add new education, you can add it. If you want your school to show in your intro or at your profile when someone comes, yes, you can take it or untick it for it not to show, but I'll recommend that you take it. Okay, now your location again is a use current location, so try and put your current location there. Okay, then when we go to contact info, we have add or edit, profile URL, email and more. So let's go there and see what is there. We have here our profile URL. You can copy it, send it to someone. A person clicks on this, it will send the person straight to your profile, right? Okay, and then you have your email that you use to create this account. You have a place for your phone number. You type in your phone number. Then you have the phone type, that is home, work or mobile phone number, because maybe your home phone or work phone or mobile phone number, you put the number there, you put your address here, you put your birthday here. Then you have a place for adding website. Okay, so if you're having maybe a YouTube account where you post videos of the works that you do, or you have a Facebook account or any other account, or even a portfolio, you have a website which is a portfolio, has works that you've done before for people, or wherever that you've worked, pictures of them, you can just go to add website and you add the link to that website. Okay, and then when you're done, just go to save. All right, now after it has saved successfully, it brings you back to the beginning. Here they said, so we have another website option here. Okay, and this one said add a link that will appear at the top of your profile. Okay, so when you type that link there, it will surely show at the top of your profile, so you can add your website link here too. Okay, the link that will send someone to a place where they can find the work that you do, proof of the work that you do. So you put it there, and then when you're done with everything, go through. Once you're done, press on save. You can see it's very, very simple and easy. Now we have our profile picture place and our cover page here. And guys, you can see that our headline that we wrote, expert graphic designer, is showing at the top here. Isn't that amazing? Okay. Okay, so let's go to how we can add our profile picture and also our cover page. Okay, so press the plus button. This is for your profile picture, so press the plus button. Okay, so you go to view or edit profile photo. Since this is the first time I'm going to put a picture, they go to update, go to upload from photos. Then you look for the picture that you want to use. I'm going to go with this one, which is on my YouTube. Please, as you're watching this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, okay? Subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends. Okay, so let's press on save if that's how you want it to be. We can add a filter to it. You can adjust the quality of your picture, okay? So let's save this. Yes, so this beautiful boy's picture is here now, and it is public for everyone to see. Okay, so it's done. Let's close it. And we can see it showing there very nicely. If you want to add a cover page too, just press on this camera sign here, and to add it will add a cover page to that page for you. Okay, let's move on because of time. Okay, now here we have open to. Okay, so here we have hiring and providing services. Okay, so here you can share what you're hiring and attract qualified candidates. Okay, so if you are someone who is looking for workers, you choose hiring. If you're someone who is providing services, they said showcase services you offer so that new clients can discover it. So you can go to providing services. Okay, then here you can tell the LinkedIn about your services and work preferences, so I can get found in search results when people look for services. Because this one is like you marketing yourself. Okay, instead of you waiting for someone to post a job this thing and then you go and apply for it, you can also put in there yourself that, okay, I am good at graphic design, I'm good at this, and this is what I have done before. Okay, so you can follow this maybe by going to get started, and then it will take you through step by step how to set up your services. Okay, so I'm going to make a different video for this so that you can follow through, guys. Okay, so let's go back for now. Then when you go to add section, okay, look at what will come. So there are many sections here that you can add. The core one is to add about yourself, add your education, add your position, add your services, add your skills. If you have, okay, so we have the recommended ones too here. You have add featured, add licenses and certifications. So if you had any certificates before, you add them here. If you had any projects, you add them here. If you've done some courses, you add them here. If you have recommendations from your lecturers or someone, add them here. And then we'll go to the additional ones. We have lots of them here. Add volunteer experience, add publications. If you published a book or something before, you add it here. You can add honors and awards here. So if you've had any awards or something like that, you can add it here too. You can add test scores. That is, if you're sure of your test scores, you want people to see it another year, you're good in this at school or something, you can add it there. You can add your languages to the organizations you've joined before. You can add the contact info, any other thing. Okay, we'll delve into this differently. Okay, so let's close that one for now. You said what suggested for you connect with a graphic designer to achieve your career goals. Because we chose that we are an expert graphic designer, you can see the things that are coming in for us, guys. Lots of things here, the skills that we put here, they're all showing. My interests are showing. Now guys, look down here. It says people you may know from your school, for the school that we selected. You selected Harvard University. We're having people here that are students at Harvard University. That's what they said. So you can see that the connections part that I said you should skip, he can still find it here. Okay, so here you can be able to connect with people who are in your school. So when you press on connect, the message you go to them that you want to connect with them, and then they will approve it. It's just like sending a friend request on Facebook. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please kindly share this video to your friends. Let them follow this channel, subscribe to this channel, and yes, see you in the next video. Please share your comments and thoughts in this video. Let me see if you enjoyed it or not. Bye.